Good morning students. In today's class we are going to see about the naming words. Okay. So already the textbook have finished. I have completed from lesson 1 to lesson 5 I have completed. Today we are going to see the English grammar book. So in English grammar book I am going to teach you. Okay. The first topic is the naming words. Okay. The first topic is given in the English grammar book is the naming words. Okay. What is a naming word? Naming word is a noun only, rather than noun. Naming word is the noun only. So we can call the naming word as the nouns also. Okay. So naming word tells us the names of people, place, animals or thing. Okay. They are also called as the nouns. Okay. The naming words they are also called as the nouns. Okay. The nouns tell us the names of people. Okay. The noun it tells us the names of people, place, animals or things. Okay. So the naming words it tell us the name of people, name of place, name of animals, names of things. Okay. Now we can see the examples and example words. Example, for the name of people you can write any name like Rama. Okay, Rama. Then the name of place you can say any place, that is market. Okay, you can say any place. Then animal, you can talk about any animal like lion. Okay, you can take anything like clock. Clock is the thing, is it? Clock. Okay. So Rama, market, lion, clock are the nouns. Okay, or the naming words or noun. You can take anything, naming words or noun, you can take anything. Okay. So Rama is the name of a person. So okay, Rama is the name of a person. Market is the name of the place, and lion is the name of an animal, and clock is the name of the thing. Okay, the naming word is tell us the names of people, place, animal or thing. So it's just the name. So only they are telling it as naming words. Okay. The other name of naming word is a noun. Okay. So the example are Rama. Rama is the name of a person. Okay. Market is the name of the place. Lion is the name of an animal. Clock is the name of the things. Okay. Students, have you all clear with this? So here also they are given the example. So here you have to find out the names of people, names of place, names of animals and names of things. Okay. So there are 4 sentences they are given. So this is an example sentences they are given. So what I have told? So the naming words it tells us the names of people, name of place, name of animal, names of things. Okay. So naming word it tells us the names of people, name of place, name of animals, names of things. So here they are given the example. So you have to find out these ones. Okay. First now I am going to read out this sentence. Okay. Mary has a pet dog. Give me some water. Okay. Give me some water. Alim lives in a small village. Raghu knows how to climb tree. Raghu knows how to climb tree. So here the nouns are Mary, dog, and in the sentence water, Alim, village, Raghu, trees. Okay, these are all the nouns. Okay, what are the nouns? Mary, dog, water, Alim, village, Raghu, trees are the noun here. Okay. So now we have to write down what is the name of people, what is the name of place, what is the name of animal, what is the name of things. For the underlined word, you have to categorize and write. Now tell me, here what are the names of peoples are there? Here they are telling about the names. No, here what are the names are there? Mary, Alim, Raghu are the names of people. Okay, what are they? Mary, Alim, Raghu. Mary, Alim, Raghu are the names of people. Okay, then next, names of place. Here what place is there? So we have already written Mary, Alim, Raghu. Now I have to find out the names of place. Here what's a place is there? Village. Village is the place. Okay, names of place is here is the village. So the village is the name of a place. Then name of an animal. Here one animal name is there. Can you find out? So it's a dog. Okay, dog is the name of an animal. Dog. Then next, name of thing. So that is water and tree are the things. Water and tree are the names of things. Water, trees. Okay, water, trees are the names of a thing. Okay, so Mary, Ali, Raghu are the names of people. Village is the names of place. Dog is the name of animal. Water, trees are the names of things. Okay, students, are you clear with this example sentence? So what is a noun? So noun, it tells about the names of people, place, animals or things. That is known as the naming word. What's the other name of naming words? It is a noun. Okay, so for that I have given some example. Rama, market, lion, clock. Okay, these are all the naming words. Rama is the name of a person, market is the name of the place, lion is the name of the animal, clock is the name of a thing. Okay, so and also we have seen the examples. Now we can see some more example words of each category. Now students, see this picture. So this picture is about the nouns only. Okay, I have told what is a noun. Noun is the name of a people, place, animals or things. I have told no. So for that they are given the example words with a picture. Now see this picture. So this is an example of names of people. Okay, these are their example words for the names of people. So see this one, girl, boy, teacher. So are the names of people. Okay, then next, now students see this picture. So first one, it's a names of place. So what are the place they are given here? Park, school, market. The names of the place are park, school, market. Okay, let's see the second one. It's a names of animals. Here what are the animals names they are given? Lion, elephant, pigeon. Lion, elephant, pigeons. So have you all seen the picture? These are the example words of the names of animals. And the names of things is toy, ice cream, pencil. Toy, ice cream, pencil. These are the names of things. Okay, students, have you all clear with this one? The now naming words tells us the names of the people, names of place, names of animals and names of things. So and also we have seen the example words with the picture. So have you all understand this? Okay, now we shall do the book bag exercise. Okay, now students, so see this is the book bag exercise of this grammar topic. Okay, the first one is choose the name of the picture from the box below. Write the correct name below the picture. So in the box they are given the names. Okay, so and also they are given the pictures. Okay, for A one picture, B one picture, C one picture, they are given the picture. So you have to write the correct name from the box given. So in the box also they are given the list of names. So with the help of the box you have to write the correct name in the picture. So okay, so first exercise, A, So see the first picture. Who is he? So you have to select from the box given. So in the box they are given some clues. No. So if you don't know, you can find out. Without the clue also you can find out. So if you don't know, you can see it in the box also. So who is he? He is a Mahatma Gandhi. Okay. Mahatma Gandhi. Then see see the second picture. So she is a girl. Okay, girl. Okay, see the third picture. What is it? It is a tortoise. Tortoise. You have to write the correct spelling. Okay. Okay. Now see the D picture. What is it? It's a red fort. Okay. Red fort. Then see the E picture. What is it? It is a bus. B-U-S. Bus. Then F. What is it? It is a cat. C-A-T. Cat. Mahatma Gandhi, girl, tortoise, red fort, bus, cat. Okay. These are all the nouns. Okay. Students, have you clear with this? Okay. Now we can see the second exercise. Students, see here. So this is a second exercise for you. The question is, write the words given below in the correct column of table. One is done for you in each column. So in the box they are given the list of words. So in the tabular column they are categorizing it as people, animal, place and things. For that they are given one example that has been written in the box. So I have to categorize and write. Okay. Second one. So first what they are categorizing is about, they are about a people, animal, place, thing. Okay. Okay. Here what are the examples they have been given? One examples they have given. No, father, lion, Mumbai, bottle. Okay, they have given, one has been done for you. So in the box also they are given the list of words they are given. So now we have to categorize. It is the people, animal, place, things. In what? In under what category it comes, I have to find and I have to write it. Okay. So I have to write it in a tabular column. So for first we can go in line by line. First see lion. Lion is there. So they have written on the animal. Okay. Mumbai is the place. Okay. Teacher. Teacher is the people. Okay. Teacher is the name of a people. Teacher. Okay. You have to write it. There are list of words. You have to write it in the correct column. Teacher is the name of a people. Okay. Next. China. China is the name of a place. Okay. China is the name of a place. The next. Father. So it's the name of a people. Already they have been written. Okay. Rabbit. It's a animal. Okay. Rabbit is a animal. Then next. Doctor. Doctor is a name of a people. Okay. Name of a person. Doctor. The next one. Pencil. Pencil is the name of a thing. Okay. Pencil is the name of a thing. Then bottle. Bottle, pencil is the name of a thing, and the next one bottle is the name of a thing. They have already written on. They have already written for. So camel. Camel is the name of an animal. Okay. Then Delhi is the name of the place. Delhi is the name of the place, and school is the name of the place, and the next one, tree. Tree is the name of a thing only. Okay, tree is the name of the thing. And Rita is the name of a person. Okay, Rita is the name of a person. Then park is the name of a place. Park is the name of the place. Giraffe is the name of an animal. Giraffe, which comes under the animal. Giraffe. Giraffe is the name of an animal. And car is the name of a thing. Car is the name of a thing. And the next, fish. Fish is the name of a animal. Okay, fish is the name of an animal. Fish is the name of the animal. Box is the name of a thing. Box is the name of the thing, and Rohit is the name of a person. Rohit. Rohit is the name of the person. Okay, I hope I finished. So in the tabular column, now we have categorized it in the name of a people, name of an animal, name of a place, and name of the things. So we have categorized it and we have written. Now, what are the names of the people? Father, teacher, doctor, Rita, Rohit are the names of people. The next, lion, rabbit, camel, giraffe, fish are the names of animal. Okay, Mumbai, Chennai, Delhi, school, park are the names of place. The next, bottle, pencil, tree, car, box are the names of things. Okay, students, are you clear with this? Okay, so students, copy down these things in your notebook. Whatever I have written, you have to copy down. Now we can see the third one. This is a third exercise for you. Okay. Fill in the blanks with correct naming word from the box below. So in the box they are given the list of names. You have to fill it with the correct one. Okay. So what are in the box? What are the words they are given? Milk, office, toys, zebra, mindy. So these are words you have to fill up with the correct one. Third for A, drinking dash every day is very healthy. You have to choose from the box. What word will come? What's the correct? What's the naming word will come? What is very good for health? A milk. Okay, drinking milk every day is very healthy. Drinking milk every day is very healthy. Then B. So see this one. Sneha has many dash. Sneha has many toys. She has many toys. The C. My father's dash is very far. I have to choose from the box. Can you tell me the answer? My father dash is very far. My father's office is very far. Then D. Dash has many friends. Dash has many friends. Mindy has many friends. Mindy. So it's a name of a person. Mindy has many friends. The next E. A dash has black and white strips. So what animals that has a black and a white strips? So it's a zebra. A zebra has a black and the white strips. Okay, zebra. Zebra has black and white strips. So I'm repeating. Drinking milk every day is very healthy. Sneha has many toys. My father's office is very far. Mindy has many friends. A zebra has black and white strips. Okay. Students, have you clear with this? So what we have seen today? We have seen about the naming words. What's the naming words? The naming words tells us the names of people, place, animals or things. They are also called as the nouns. Okay, for that we have seen the examples and also we have done the exercise. So I hope you understand this. The homework for today is you have to learn and write this book back exercise. Thank you, students.